As we all know, social media is the future for the past 10 years. But strangely enough, companies are just jumping on that wagon, but more in depth and doing it personally themselves. No more shelling out hundreds of thousands of dollars to a media company, but presidents, CEOs, and executives are doing this on their own. Social Media Marketing Certification Program will give you the rundown on how to develop a social media strategy by creating campaign hooks, setting micro goals, and understanding the ecosystem of the social media world. This course will plug you into Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and many other sites and show you how to brand yourself or your company or small business. There will be chapters that will show you blogs and SEO techniques, also how to bring traffic to your website, whether business or personal. You will learn how to create a strategy plan, create tactics and business goals, and eventually reassess where you are in your business. Social media has changed the way people do business. It has tremendously expanded their reach of marketing efforts and added a personal touch to business. It has emerged as a major B2C and B2B marketing channel because there are millions of people out there on various social media platforms. Research shows that social media usage by small business had increased over the past few years. After completion of this course, you will learn the right steps to take your brand, product, or service one step ahead and reap the benefits of social media marketing. So there you have it, guys. I'm going to leave two links down in the description below. The first link is for the social media marketing, and the second link is going to be for the combo package. So you can save up to 50% if you do a little bundle or combo package, little extra courses such as digital marketing or basic office skills. So you can check that out. Please make sure you leave any comments below, like, subscribe, share this out to anyone that you know that may need to be brushing up on some old skill sets or just pretty much trying to learn a new skill set. So once again, this is Markie Williams. You can follow me on Facebook, Markie Williams, which I also have an online certification course page there as well. So let me know what you're looking for. I'm happy to help you out. Personal link service provider as well. I can send you links straight to your DM. It's that simple. So many good things are still coming out. Markie Williams, I'm out.